Welcome to Mohua'S kitchen. Today I'm going to make restaurant style Kali Dal. Let's start with the recipe. I have taken here Kali Urad Dal, which is a black kind of dal it is. I have soaked it, washed it properly and soaked it overnight, and after soaking it became little bit the blackness of the dal goes away, and I will cook it in pressure for 3 whistles. And my dal is ready now. My dal is cooked properly, and now let's begin with the tadka or temper the dal. For tempering, I have heated a pan, and into it I have added 1.5 tablespoon of ghee. Into it pure ghee or clarified butter. Into it I will add 1 or 2 red chillies, dry red chillies, and 1 bay leaf into it, and saute this for a bit. When the aroma of bay leaf and the red chilli comes out, at that time I'm going to add 1 medium sized chopped onions, and I will saute this till my onions are translucent or slightly pink in color. My onions have been fried, and now I'm going to add some chopped garlics. This is around about 1 tablespoon of chopped garlics into it, and fry this along with the onions. And after the raw smell of the garlic goes away, that time I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of chopped ginger. We need to add here ginger and garlic finely chopped, and I have added here 2 to 3 green chilies cut into pieces, and saute this for about a minute. And now I will add 1 medium sized tomatoes, chopped tomatoes into it, and add salt according to taste. Remember, we have added salt into our dal, so be careful while adding the salt. And I will cover it till my onions and my tomatoes get more softened. My tomatoes has been softened now. Now I will add the dry masalas into it. I have added here half a teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, and 1 tablespoon of coriander powder into it, and mix it well and fry it a bit. And I will add a little bit of water into it so that my masala doesn't burn, and I will cover it and let it cook in slow flame for about 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, my masala has been fried, and see, the oil releases from the side. Now I will add my boiled dal into it, and I will add a little bit more water, and I will cook it in slow flame for about 30 minutes. This in slow flame, cooking in slow flame will give a very good taste to our dal. And I will smash it with a smasher a little bit more, so that it gets thickened, because Kali dal is a thick sort of dal. After cooking it in slow flame for 30 minutes, I will take out the lid, and now I will add 1 tablespoon of kasuri methi and a little bit of half a teaspoon of garam masala into it, and mix it well. And I will let it cook for another 5 to 10 minutes. And now I will add some butter and fresh cream into it to give a rich taste. And see, my dal has been reduced, and after keeping it for a while, it will thicken. And now it's done. I will serve it with basmati rice or roti. I have arranged here basmati rice, some kali dal, garnish it with some coriander leaves and salad. Enjoy the meal. Bye bye. Take care. Till then.